I dare you. Tackle the giant dodo bird. Georgie. Boo, you suck. Be funny.
Who's in it?
I don't know. Pass it up again.
We went to go pick up the pony, rolled over.
No, the suit ripped. That is a big ass toucan Sam. He's on the pill. Tackle him! Tackle him! I need it for my videos for school. Do it, please.
You missed.
Tackle him! I need it for school.
You don't need it for school.
Who cares? I want to tackle him. You do it, BJ.
BJ, tackle him. Go hit him with a cut. I dare you.
I'm gonna spear him in the back of the head. I can't see.
Calling you out, Brian.
Handle this. What's up?
Coffee, orange juice. Board members will be taking pictures in about 5 minutes. All board members.
Here you go. He's gonna smear him.
I don't know what's more interesting, that he's causing the crowd or that he needs the crutch to do it.
I need a crutch to do it. I need a crutch to do it.
Always laughing at you.